Welcome back to Steve's Small Engine Saloon.
Okay, we're back with day 4 of 30 Days of Questions. Here's your question, Steve. Does soaking your trimmer line in water actually help? What do you think?
I wanted to do this video like 3 years ago, but how my personality and how my brain works is that I'm not going to tell you something unless I try it myself and I actually experiment with something. I'm not just going to take somebody's word for it off the internet and then just repeat it, right? I have been experimenting with this for at least 3 years. I have been doing this. Lots of different lines out there, trimmer lines. Different manufacturers, they're made out of different things, but they're pretty much all plastic, right? Yeah, there's an old one right there. So what I was doing was taking trimmer line, and I would take the roll, and I would take two trims off of that like that. And I would put one in a bucket of water, and then I would put the other one beside it dry. There was some that I did that went 3 months. I kept checking them, kept topping it up with water because the water's evaporating and stuff, right? And pour more water in there. Now, I've done that with so many lines that what I would do, I would take that out after like 3 months, and I would take that trimmer line that's soaked in water. And then I would do something like wrap it around my finger like that, and then see what happened, and it springs back like that. There's no difference in how soft that is. I would take them and I would kink them and try to kink them, well, I'll show you like that, right? Do that as best as I could to actually make a little kink in there. Trying to figure out if that plastic was any softer than it was 3 months ago. That's why I left that second one out of the water, because I would do the same thing with it, and there was no difference. 3 months. I tried that with so many different lines for so long. I will tell you this, I know there are a lot of people on the internet that say that absolutely works. I think they may be just repeating something that they heard, because I have found absolutely no evidence in 3 years that soaking plastic trimmer line in water helps at all. So I think that's probably a bit of a myth. I think it is actually kind of a load of crap, to be honest with you. I truly don't believe it. Sorry. I know a lot of you are going to disagree with me on that, but that's it. Not many people have played with that for 3 years.
Well, let us know what you think.
Yeah, put your comments down in the comments section if you want to disagree with me on that, or maybe you've experimented with some like I did, and maybe you did find one line that actually did work on. Throw it in the comments section. I love it. We love hearing what you guys have to say in the comments section.
Okay, stay tuned for day 5 of 30 Days of Questions. Don't forget to turn that bell notification on so you don't miss it.
Yeah.
And if you miss the previous ones, you can always find them in the description of this video, or go back to our channel. It'll be in the Saloon Mail playlist. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Other than that, I think we're done. April and Steve out.